This is the Hornblasters 240 Conductors kit. Alright, so I've got it ran, got the main line coming through the firewall, comes all the way up through here, through the front, and I've got my valve mounted vertically, all the wires that go to the horns, and the horns are safely tucked away in my front bumper. And it's actually hidden pretty well. I mean, it doesn't get in the way of the hood. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the horns. First I'm going to do just a control, the regular horn, and then I'll do the train horns. And there you have it. That's the 240 kit. Let's go ahead and see. It's supposed to shoot about a 7-second blast. That used about 100 psi, so probably had one other good honk with it, and that would have been the end of it.